guys, I am talking specifically to my Disney clients or anyone that has utilized a Disney gift card and that has been on the website disneygiftcard.com to store and manage these cards. One of the first things that I tell Disney clients when they book a trip with me is how they can save money and make kind of their life a little bit easier maybe by using Disney gift cards. So whether you have received them as gifts, you've purchased them, but if you have utilized the Disney gift card website to consolidate them, meaning most of you will buy a $100 gift card here and there. So maybe every time you go to Kroger, you just add a $100 gift card to your cart, $50. So, you're gradually paying on your trip. Then you come to the Disney gift card website and you combine those gift cards into one gift card to make easy payments of $1,000 or whatever that amount is. You have probably thrown away some of those gift cards. You've probably lost track of some of them, and you have money sitting on this Disney gift card website. That's fine. That's what I do. You can see that I have $1,000 on one, $130 on the other one, just sitting there. And I have not taken my own advice that I really push on clients because I've had some disastrous situations almost by holding on to the actual hard copies. I have 3 gift cards here. None of them match the numbers that are on these gift cards, meaning I don't actually have these physical gift cards. So Disney has released a statement saying that they will no longer kind of allow you to use this as a mobile wallet. So in the past, I have just held on to this until it was time to make a payment. And then I would kind of push that over to my Disney trip. You can see that a lot of people are going to be in the same boat I am. I was going over spring break and then COVID hit. So right here, I have a refund that I got back from my original purchase of my room. So, if I had not seen this announcement, and of course, if I wasn't a solid travel agent sharing this information with you, I could potentially lose this $1,100. So here's what you need to do. You need to figure out how much money you have sitting in your Disney gift card balance. You might have 1 card, you might have 6. Well, actually 5 is the max you can have. But you need to go and figure out however many dollars you have. $1,000 is the max that you can have on any card at one time. So if you have less than $1,000, you just need to go buy 1 gift card. If you have less than 2,000, so you need to have less than the amount that you're going to transfer. So I would say go to Target, Kroger, wherever it is, and go buy a $25 gift card per every $975 that you have saved on your account. And then you will simply do the following. You will enter the card. So use a Sharpie, write on the card, okay? I have a 1 on this one, so write a name. So trip 1, trip 2, write that on there. Enter the card number, enter the code, which is going to be right there on the back. And then you will transfer the account balances that you have onto this physical card and you will not lose it. Okay, so you will do that for every $1,000 that you have stored on here. At that moment in time, then you are secured. You know that the money that you had here, this $1,000, is going to be sitting on a card. Keep in mind, this full $1,000 won't be able to go onto a card that I just bought that has $25 on it. So maybe I would put $900 on that card. I would have bought another $25 gift card. I would have put the remaining $100 onto that card. So I would write the account balance that you have on each card, and I would write the maybe even the original card number that it came from. So 2330 I would write on there. But this is going to be your safest way to make sure that this money is intact. Should you forget, is there a way that Disney can find this? I don't know. I would assume yes, but of course I would not want to leave all of this money kind of in the wings, not knowing what's going to happen. So if you have Disney gift cards, please make sure that's a thing. Make sure you fix that. If you would rather just put that money towards your trip that you already have, we can do that. And of course, if you were thinking about making a trip, if you just want to put a deposit down on a new trip, we can do that as well. So a little toddler in tow. Let me know what questions you have. This needs to be done by January 19th. That's my birthday, so get it done before then. Ideally, of course, the sooner the better, just because there is going to, I'm sure, be an influx of people on this website doing the same thing. So let me know how I can help you. If you have questions, I'm happy to answer them. Bye.